AI video generation is getting crazy right now. New tools are coming out constantly, and some of them are creating videos that are getting harder and harder to tell apart from real footage. Today, I'm going to show you two new free AI tools that you definitely need to check out. The first one lets you generate images, videos, and other AI content with some really impressive features built directly into the platform. But the second tool is even more interesting because it gives you free access to Seedance 2.5, one of the most powerful AI video models right now. I've tested both tools, and the results are honestly impressive. So in this video, I'll show you both tools, what they can do, and how you can use them for free. So make sure you watch until the end, because you definitely don't want to miss the second one. If you don't want to miss latest AI tools, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. The first tool we're going to look at is TikTok's Symphony, which is made by TikTok. You can find the link in the description below. Click on Get Started and create a brand new account. Once you log in, you will see that you get 1,000 free credits to generate videos and images. Don't worry, these credits reset every week. This platform also provides different pre-made templates for creating videos. Okay, let's start with the text-to-image feature. I'm switching to the image section and pasting this prompt. The prompt is for generating a product image, then choose a model from the list. I'm going with Nano Banana. Here you can see that image generation does not require any credits. After that, click on Generate and wait a few seconds. And here is the result. It generated 4 different images, and all of them look clean and professional. If you click on any image, you will get options to regenerate it or convert it into a video directly from here. Now let's move on to text to video. Switch to the video tab from the top, then choose text to video from the list. Paste your prompt here. Again, I'm using a simple product shoot video prompt. Finally, choose the duration. I'm selecting a 5-second clip, which costs 5 credits. If you choose 10 seconds, it will cost 10 credits. Now click on Generate. This may take around 5 to 10 minutes. After the generation is complete, here is the result. How is it? Considering that this is a free tool, I really like the quality of the output. The video even includes audio automatically. Now let's generate a video from an image. Switch to image to video. Upload your image, paste the prompt, and click Generate. And here is the final video. Now let's look at another useful feature that Symphony offers. Go to Trends from the side menu, scroll down, and choose any ad. Then click on Create Your Own. Remove the default product image and upload your own product image. Choose the duration, click Generate, and wait for it to finish. Here is what I got. And just like that, we have an AI-generated product advertisement. There are many other templates available, so you can experiment with different styles and products. Now let's move on to the second tool, which many of you have been waiting for. The second tool we are going to explore is Dola AI, where you can use Seedance 2.5 for free. You can find the link for this tool in the description as well. Click on it, and you will be redirected to the home page. If you see a page like this, try using a VPN connected to another country. It may help you access the tool properly. In the prompt box below, it clearly shows that you can create both images and videos using this tool. I'm going to show you how to use the Seedance 2.5 model in a few minutes, so stay with me. First, let's generate an image. I'm clicking on Create Image and pasting an image generation prompt. Now choose a model from the list. You can see Seedream 4.5 and Seedream 5.0. I'm going with Seedream 5.0. Then choose the aspect ratio from the list. There are also different default styles available, but I'm leaving that empty. Finally, click Generate and wait for the result. After a few seconds, here is the result. Dola generated 4 different images, so you can choose the one you like best. Another useful feature is that you can easily edit any selected image. Just click Add as Reference, paste a new editing prompt, and click Generate again. And here is the edited result. For this tool as well, there is no limit on image generation. But in the case of video generation, we can generate only 4 videos per day using Seedance 2.0. Now let's move on to video generation. Click on New Chat, then choose Create Video. Paste your prompt to generate a video from text. Next, choose a video generation model. Here we have Seedance 1.0, Seedance 2.0 Fast, and the most popular Seedance 2.5. I'm selecting Seedance 2.5. Then choose the duration and aspect ratio, and finally click Generate. Here it shows that I used 4 points and have 0 points remaining today. That means I have used all my daily credits, and they will reset tomorrow. After waiting for about 5 minutes, here's the result I got. The result looks really impressive, and it followed my prompt very accurately. Now let's move on to image to video generation. Open a new chat, click Create Video, and upload the image you want to animate. Then paste your prompt, choose the video generation model and duration, and click Generate. Wait for the process to finish. And here is the final result. This also looks very impressive, and the bike looks consistent throughout the video. If you want a more detailed video about this tool, we have already made a dedicated video. You can find the link in the description. And if you want all the prompts I used, simply comment prompts, and I will send them to you. If you enjoyed this video so far, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.